Happy Valentine's Day, Fragrance Buddies! Regardless of how you feel about this holiday and despite your current relationship status, everyone deserves a little R&R. What goes better with relaxation better than bath bombs? I'd say they go together like strawberries and cream. Let's treat ourselves, shall we? I'm going to start by combining my dry ingredients, being sure to break up any clumps. Next, I can drizzle the wet ingredients over the dry ones. With my hands, I'm going to start mixing it all together until it's a uniform mixture and feels like wet sand. Before I mold the bath bombs, I want to give them a marbled, multicolored look, so I'm going to split up my mixture and add some pretty pink colorant to one half of the mixture. Now all I need to do is simply layer each color into the molds, swirl them around some, and firmly pack the molds until the bath bomb is formed. Allow your bath bombs to rest for 24 to 48 hours before using them. These things look and smell good enough to eat, but don't do that. Seriously. You can pick up your own strawberries and cream at FragranceBuddy.com along with many other scrumptious scents. Be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell. See you guys soon.